Here is what we all shipped for years, just to fade a div in when you scroll to it. An observer, a callback, a class toggle, and usually 30 kilobytes of animation library sitting on top of it. This does the same thing. No observer, no listener, no library. The browser owns the scroll now, so the animation runs on the compositor instead of fighting your main thread. Progress bars used to mean a scroll event listener and a throttle. Start with just the bar, pinned to the top, 3 pixels tall, scaled from the left edge. Then you point it at the scroll timeline. Those 2 lines replace the listener, the throttle, and all the math you used to write by hand. Animating something in from display none was impossible for about 20 years. Allow discrete plus at starting style quietly fix that. The dialogue fades and scales in on its own now. And here is the one everybody has wanted since forever. Height from 0 to auto, actually transitioning. Interpolate size, allow keywords, turns it on. So why isn't everyone building like this already? Because not every browser supports all of it yet. The old ones just skip these rules, so you give them something sane to fall back to and you move on. Full breakdown is on my website, link in the description.